Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gautham. Today I am going to show you what I printed till now. These are all products. Today I will explain you one by one. This is the 8-pointed star. As you see here, there are 5 colors but green color is not there. Red, orange, green, sky and blue. So you can spin like this and make like a pyramid, and you can do like this and more. The time text product is angled cubic fidget toy. So it is same like a infinity cube. Just this is having some designs here, only at the sides. You can play like this. The time taken is 1 hour 45 minutes. There are total 5 colors. Same red, orange, green, blue and dark blue. The next is the pixel art keychain. So it is a keychain. You can move like this. The time taken is 9 minutes 13 seconds. Next is the rose. As you see here, you can keep in this chair and keep it, and its legs are movable. You can keep in table corners like this. In table corners, it has only red color. The time taken is 55 minutes 21 seconds. Next are these unicorns. There are 5 colors, same red, orange, green, sky and blue. You can play like this. It's a movable body, flexi, and even it can stand. It can stand, but it's not. The time taken is 1 hour 22 minutes. Next is the benchy. This is a type of boat which cannot float in water. It's just for showcase. The time taken is 45 minutes 29 seconds. There are 5 colors, same red, orange, green, sky and blue. Next is a self-balancing dino. This is a dino which can balance. If you keep like this also, it can stand. So, it's a lot of fun with this. This can balance. The time taken is 1 hour 4 minutes. This is the fidget gear fidget spinner. This is a spinner. It is very fun. You can use it like this also. The time taken is 1 hour 19 minutes. Next is a fidget spinning gear. So this is the satisfaction moment. The spring and this has a cap. and you can have some relaxing moment with this. The time taken is 41 minutes 8 seconds. Next is a flexi bird. It can move its body and even it can stand. It can stand. You can have some fun time with this. The time taken is 43 minutes 34 seconds. Next is a Flexi Dino 2. This is the dino which moves its head like this and its tail, and even this can also stand. You can move its head. This is fun, and its tail. The time taken is 27 minutes 38 seconds. Next is a Flexi Dinosaur. So this can also flex, move its body, and this can even stand. It's full flexible body. You can play. The time taken is 1 hour 3 minutes. The next product is the gimbal spinner. This is a type of spinner which has multiple spinners in it. This is really fun spinning. The time taken is 3 minutes 55 seconds. This is the heart layer fidget, the next product. Same like 8-pointed star. This can also make some pyramids like, but this cannot make like this. We can play it. The time taken is 47 minutes 55 seconds. Next is the infinity cube, 5 colors. Same like designed infinity cube. Same 5 colors. The time taken is 1 hour 39 minutes. The next product is pass to fidget toy. So this toy can pass to this. Moving a satisfaction moment. Spinning. 5 colors. Even you can do like this, like shake with this inside. The time taken is 1 hour 14 minutes. The last product is Flexi Fish. They can flex. Same 5 colors. The last product. The time taken is 14 minutes 36 seconds. See our website. You should click here and type www.egbots.com and click this. So this is the store which I made in Zoho Commerce. A 3D printed products. All here are the products. This is the contact page to and this is the cart you can see here. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and bye bye.